let's talk about the Extrude tool. Drop a cube into your scene. The Extrude tool allows you to grab any face and extend it out like so. You can also do it to edges, and you can even do it to vertices. Now, when you have a cube, let me get rid of that old one, all you have to do is come up here to your Poly tab and select your Extrude tool here, or you can find it under Edit Mesh, Extrude. You can also hit Control E to get your Extrude gizmo, which allows you to pull these arrows out to extend it or move it around. And if you really want to be as fast as possible, with your Move tool or any of your tools selected, you can actually hold the Shift key down and grab one of these arrows. This is how I tend to extrude things very quickly. Now, when you're extruding, there's a very common technique that you'll be using. If you're familiar with Blender, you might know this as insetting. What that means is that I'm going to hit Control E with this face selected to do an extrusion. Now, what I want is I want to make it so that I take this extrusion and I scale it inwards. You can see that this gizmo is kind of a combination of our Move tool, our Rotate tool, and our Scale tool. But unlike our Scale tool, which we normally have, we don't have a way to scale it in the center where we scale it in all directions. It does exist, but you have to make it appear. To do so, click one of these outer boxes. You can see that now that has made our Scale tool the primary tool, meaning that in the very center, we now have a teal cube that we can grab to scale in or out. This is very, very common for making shapes like this. I can just do another extrusion here. I might do the same thing. I'll hit Control E to extrude. Whoops. And then I will scale it outwards and Control E to extrude again.